Hey, my name is Jim McLaren. Today is Sunday, October 15th, 2017. Today we're going to look at the Capri self-adjusting wire stripper. And the number is 212 on the front here. Has a micro-adjusting swivel knob for cutting small wires, strips wires, cuts wires, and crimps wires. A couple ways of crimping wires here. 10-year warranty, 888-723-0550, www.capritools.com. When I look at this wire stripper today, I bought it off Amazon for $27 Canadian. Now, one of the first things I noticed about it, this is when you put your wires through here, and you want to strip just the ends of them. This will be a certain width here. You can see barely the numbers in here: 1/4 inch, 1/2 inch, and 3/4 inch. You slide this back and forth, put your wires in here, you crimp them or cut them. Now this plastic can go out of the way, but when you take it down, it actually hits the handles. Minor detail, but I want to bring that to your attention. Now on the unit itself, it's about 8 inches long, the whole unit. 8 inches long, and the handles are about 6 inches. There's that plastic thing back and forth. Here's your micro adjusting wheel here, and I drew a diagram to show you better how that works. So this slides back and forth, 1/4 inch, 1/2 inch, 3/4 inch, and that slides. And you put your wires through the top of this, and you cut your wires. This is that micro adjusting wheel, and it's plus and minus here, so tighten it, go to the plus, and counterclockwise to loosen it off. Here's some of the features on this wire stripper here. On this side of the jaws, there's one tooth here, and the bottom of the square part is one tooth in here. There's about 6 teeth in here, and about 4 teeth on this jaw up here. It has a spring across here. It has a wire cutter down here. It has a crimper, red, blue, yellow, and this is the connectors for that. It also has different crimper features on this unit. The back of the unit, there's a spring inside this channel here, and this are both metal. Now look at some of the things this will do. One of the things I tried just to pull sheathing off was clothesline wire, just to see if it would take the sheathing off here. I did it this morning. It did work. Let's see if we can get it working again today. So I did cut it. That's clothesline wire. So that's hard to take that stripping off there. So it did work. Now we're going to adjust that wheel all the way down tight. This is extremely small wire. Get a piece off here. Put in the jaws here. I did cut it. Extremely small wire. Next piece of wire we're going to look at is for your phone jacks. There's 4 wires in here. Just got to cut it off. Now the phone jack wire, I'll show you in a second here. There's 4 wires in here. Green, yellow, black, and a red here. That's for your phone jack. Another wire. It's just like a speaker wire. There's a cutter again. That's it nice. Now in here there's 5 wires. But there's a sheathing on here. Put that in there. For the sheeting. It's a nice job. This is wire for extension wire. Just a 2-prong. No ground in here. It's extension wire. Cut that off. Makes a nice cut. Just 2 wires of black and white in here. No ground. It's stranded wire. See the strands on it here. This is 14-2 wire. Got it nice here. And then just cut the ends here. Now one of the wires that I have, this is the old Romex wire, terrible wire to work with, terrible. It's all over your hand, it's black stuff. Romex wire. Sometimes it will cut it, sometimes it won't. Extremely hard wire to work with. This is the old wire when I first bought my house. With the camera again, sorry. I did cut it. The last thing we're going to do is splice the wire in here and use the crimper. Just to show you the crimper here. Now you have to push pretty hard to crimp that wire. But it is crimped there. I'd like to thank all my subscribers. If it's the first time you're watching this video today, thank you very much for watching my video today. Please subscribe to my channel. I'd like to thank you again. Have a good day.